A growing concern within the WVU community is the increasing presence of fentanyl-laced recreational drugs. You may be concerned about yourself or loved ones accidentally ingesting fentanyl, so it is important to understand what options are available to you to make sure what you are taking is safe. In this video, I'd like to walk you through how you can find and use testing strips to avoid the danger of taking fentanyl-laced substances. Though this may seem like a tedious process, taking the time to test the substances you are taking can prevent you from experiencing the dangerous and even deadly side effects of unknowingly mixing drugs. First, you'll need to know where you can find fentanyl testing strips. Thankfully, you can find these for free through university and community resources. One resource for receiving free testing strips is right here on campus. Well, WVU is a campus resource that offers health education information, programming, and supplies to all students to strengthen the well-being of the WVU community. One of their newer services is providing students with fentanyl test strips completely free of charge and judgment. To receive your free testing kit, head to Well WVU's office on Evansdale. You can pick up these kits outside the office on Thursdays and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. The fentanyl testing strips are in discreet packaging marked with a green sticker. You can also receive testing strips from other community resources. The Monongalia County Health Department offers testing strips and naloxone at pop-up events around the community, as well as in their office on Van Forest Drive. Like Well WVU's kits, these can be requested with no identifying information. Just call 304-602-3305 to request what supplies you need and set up a way to pick them up, or watch their website and social media for dates and times of pop-up events. You can also buy fentanyl testing strips from various websites online. Most testing strips cost less than $2 a unit. Some companies recommended to order from by Well WVU's website include Dance Safe, Dose Test, and Bug Police. After you've found your testing strips, you'll also need to know how to use them correctly. I will be walking you through the general steps to test your substance for fentanyl, but please make sure to use more specific directions provided by the manufacturer or professional if you received test training. The first thing you will need to do is dissolve what you intend to take in water. Please note that the safest way to test the drug is to dissolve the entire dose in water, not just a small portion of it. Testing a smaller portion of the substance may lead to inaccurate test readings. If you are testing a substance in pill form, crush the pill and dissolve the powder in water as well. It is also recommended that you cut a corner off an LSD blot paper and dissolve that in water. You can still consume the entire dose by simply drinking the mixture, but please make sure to wait until you get your test results first. After you have dissolved the substance in water, you will need to dip your test strip into the solution. Make sure that you are dipping the correct end into your solution. The correct end should have markings indicating that it is the end meant to be submerged into the solution. When in the solution, wait about 15 seconds and watch the solution be absorbed upwards towards the test area. After 15 seconds, set the testing strip on a flat surface and wait 3 minutes. Results will be specific to which brand of test you use, but in most cases, one stripe will mean that the solution tested positive for fentanyl, while 2 strips means that the presence of fentanyl is unlikely. Please make sure to wait and read your test results before you consume the tested product. If your solution tests positive for fentanyl, discard it immediately and do not consume it. It is best to remember in this situation that if you're in doubt, throw it out. Trust your gut feeling. No high is worth the dangerous or even deadly side effects caused by fentanyl. Though this may seem like a tedious or inconvenient process, the extra steps of testing a substance for the presence of fentanyl can save you or a loved one's life. Community resources want to see you stay safe, so please take advantage of them if their services apply to you. As the presence of fentanyl grows larger in the mountaineer community, it is always better to be safe rather than sorry. Thanks for listening.